Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Mikawa Inu token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. View on research for the investing. According to the white paper, Mikawa Inu, born from the spirit of the wild, the Mikawa Inu tokens its inspiration from the fierce yet loyal Shikoku doge, a legendary hunter from the rugged mountains of Japan, known for its bravery, cunning, and devotion. The Shikoku doge is more than just a pet, it is a symbol of loyalty, strength, and freedom. That's exactly what the Mikawa Inu token represents in the crypto world as a meme token. Shikoku is not just here for laugh, it is here to build a loyal pack for holders who are ready to break free from the mainstream and hunt for the best gains on the Solana network, whether they are a crypto veteran or a meme enthusiast looking for the next moonshot. Mikawa Inu is your ride or die. Mikawa Inu token total supply is 999.99 trillion and circulating supply is also 999.99 trillion. SHIKOKU token, Radium and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.